3 ripe bananas. Mash the bananas using the fork. Light brown sugar 50 gram. Granulated sugar 100 gram. Whisk together until well combined. Two large eggs, room temperature. Vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Melted salted butter 115 gram. Whisk until combined. All-purpose flour 250 gram. Cinnamon powder 1½ teaspoons. Baking soda 1/2 teaspoon. Baking powder 1/2 teaspoon. Sift it well. Gently fold it in. Chocolate chip 80 gram. Fold them. Pour the batter into the lined and greased loaf pan. Slice 1 banana and put it on top. Preheat oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 55 minutes. Enjoy!